What's up, guys? I get a lot of questions on my IG as far as the stuff that I used while I was pregnant. So while my niece was doing my pedicure, a little self-care, whatever, we gonna show y'all my must-haves, or the must-haves essentials that I used while I was pregnant. This towards the beginning, and I'm 36 weeks in a few days now. Oh God! Wow! Oh my God! Or did I turn 37 weeks today? Oh no, tomorrow. Tomorrow I turn 37 weeks. So I'm 36 weeks. And I'm gonna start from the beginning and go like towards the end. If I can remember, I might try to do it in order, but while we at it right now, just make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you leave me a comment and like this video if you want more pregnancy videos. Even though I'm towards the end, I still can give you guys some gems and give you my full experience while I was pregnant. While I'm pregnant. Even though I keep on using past tense because I'm over it. But yeah, we're gonna leave that. That's another whole nother thing. So towards the beginning, I was sick maybe about 3 months into it. No, until like exactly 12 weeks or 13 weeks I was sick. So when I used to drive in the car, we traveled a little bit towards the beginning too. I would use the morning sickness bands, like when I got on the airplane. I actually wore these bands every day. Even when I got in the shower, I used to wear these bands all the time. I was sick all the time. It was irritating. And I would eat these Preggy Pop drops. And I had some ginger ones too. They was good too. I used to eat them. And this was like a second bag. I got this from Amazon. I don't know if y'all can see it. Is it showing? Yeah. And at first I didn't take the pregnancy vitamins. Can you pass me my pregnancy vitamins? I think I left them on the table. I didn't use my pregnancy vitamins because the vitamins used to make me really sick. I used to get really sick off of the pills. So I used to eat gummies at the beginning. But at 12 weeks, I started, that I was worried about iron. So I got these. I think I got these like from Family Dollar or something. It's just the prenatal vitamins. But at first, I did only eat the gummies. And what was it? Yeah, I took the prenatal vitamins, but the gummy ones, let me see. So these was after 13 weeks I started taking these because my iron, I needed to have something with iron in it. And I actually went to the doctor and my iron was actually low, but I never went and got the prescription for my iron because even when I wasn't pregnant, I used to try to take stuff like that and it just used to have me constipated. So I was like, I ain't gonna take it. But the prenatal vitamins do have iron in it and I'm fine. At 16 weeks, we was using the baby Doppler to and if I have a video to insert right now while this was on, then I'll show you. I don't know, is it too much to do while I'm on here, or should I think I should do it? Because I could do it in this video. I can do the, it came with the gel. And you could put the gel on your stomach, or you can put the turn the volume up. Turn it on. Just to hear your baby's heartbeat. Y'all see this stomach is real. Let me see. I hope this ain't dead. I don't know. I ain't used it in so long. There we go. You really can just wait until you actually ready to cut it on. But the last time I went to the doctor on Tuesday, she was already turned up and down. So she actually is like this right now. So she ready to come out. She ready. So I'm ready. But her heart rate was right here the last time we went to the doctor. You gotta make sure that you have the gel. Typically it works better when the gel is on the thing. It's like an echo. I'm sorry, y'all. It's probably irritating. Her heartbeat be at like 140 something. You see? Gotta. You see the heart in the corner? That means that that's her heartbeat. Sometimes you can find your heartbeat, and sometimes you can find her heartbeat. And sometimes the baby's heartbeat sound more like an ocean. Like, that's her. So at first, when you be worried and stuff, which I think is normal, at first when you be worried and stuff, I would suggest to get the baby Doppler, because you be like, is she alright in there? You know, before you can hear, like, before you can feel her foot kick in or whatever the case may be. So yeah, that's how the Doppler worked out. So it was good to know at first. This is the box that it came in, and I'm sure you can get other things. I just suggested getting a Doppler, but my friend had got me something from Target before, but she didn't know I had got the Doppler, so I know they do it's other options that you can have, so you can get other options. I used Nivea lip balm. That worked for me right now at 36 weeks. If I go to the store, I pick up me some Carmex, some Blistex, whatever to keep my lips moisturized, because my lips be dry as I don't know what. One thing that I lived by was my belly oil. T, can you give me something to wipe this off, please? One thing that I lived by was my belly oil. And this is the belly oil that I used. And it's supposed to have, I don't know. It says that it's suggested by the dermatologist and OBGYN, but it's the bomb. As you can see, I don't have no stretch marks like on my belly. It is some like up under, which I knew some would come at least, but it's not bad. I burnt myself right here trying to cook out the oven. So I did that to myself. And then when I went to Cancun, this brown like looking, I think when we got in the sun, like it started getting dark right here. I came home, it was bad at first. When I came home, it was like a little tint. I don't know if y'all can tell. It's like a little shadow of darkness around my belly button. It went away when I started using this and my Burt's Bees, Mama Bee belly butter too. I put this on there and also my belly jelly, and moisturize my legs, my back. Don't forget your body with my Nivea and my Gold. Sometimes the Nivea would not last as long, but Gold Bond, it might be old, but I used it as well. Old school. Gotta stick with the. I used this before. I have eczema, so my skin is dry. So I use this on a daily anyway. But I use this also on my stomach and my feet, because my feet always been good, but since I've been pregnant, it's been real. So I use this in the shower. It really do moisturize. I even use it on my face. It's really good. I love this. And indoor outdoor slippers. The hard bottom, just because my feet started swelling up, and I can use these around the house. And I don't have none of my socks, but if I was to put what's them socks called? The fuzzy socks. The fuzzy socks. Like y'all know the little fuzzy socks. If I put some lotion always on my feet, then I just put those on so it can keep the moisturizer. Cause my feet done got real. Keep the moisture in. These were the pregnancy leggings that I wore towards the beginning, and right now I don't even want to wear nothing. Like I have these on, but it's no type of band or nothing. I don't want nothing on my stomach. It irritates me. But I used to wear these out, and I would wear my Forever 21 dresses. Even if it get cold, like I would put some boy shorts up under them or something so that I could cover up my bottom, but I keep dresses on and wear like some boots or my Uggs. And the pregnancy pillow, I washed the top part. It was like kind of velvet like. I washed the top part and the cover. Pregnancy brain is real. It's not a game. I'm so serious. I would have probably never believed it, but it's real. I forget everything. I already was bad memory. The cover, and then I couldn't put it back on there, so it came with a cover, but yeah, it ain't got no cover no more. But I still use it faithfully, and I really stick with this. It's no more me and my child's father.
I ain't gonna lie. I got some cutty last night.
Stop lying.
You ain't got no cutty. But your little scrawny ass.
It's just me and this pillow. This is my boyfriend. Okay? It's real.
This right here.
I love that pillow. I live by that pillow.
Yeah. I think you did.
And I think that's it.
But these are tags.
Yeah, that's all of it. So I still just wanted everybody asked so, and also, and towards the beginning of my pregnancy, I really couldn't eat nothing. So I would eat like small portions of whatever I ate. Like, and I still can eat small portions, but I'm a small portion person. Like I just eat small portions, and I don't try to take everything in at once. And but those were some of the essentials that I needed while I was pregnant, for sure. And up until my 36 weeks. So I used those faithfully. Everything that I just showed you guys. So I'm gonna get back to this pedicure, but make sure if you guys like this video, just some information for all my pregnancy babes that's going through pregnancy right now. Just make sure you like and comment and let me know if you need more videos. And good luck, guys, because my joint almost over with. She just cut my people off. Zang. So good luck, guys, on your pregnancy. And mine's is the end of the road. I'm ready to get back to this pedicure. And make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more videos, just make sure you comment down below and let me know. And I'll give you guys more tips and everything that I experienced while I was pregnant. Holla at your girl.
While she was pregnant, big as a damn tit.